Packing list introduction. Hello everyone. Here is the introduce of the installation operation of GU Series Gastroscope. GU source package. Let's open the endoscope carrying case first. The contents of the endoscope carrying case include gastroscope system GU series, suction button, water and air button, biopsy cap, video cable, water button, portable leak detector, waterproof cover, pipe flusher, cleaning brush, leak detector tube and so on. After opening the box, you need to check whether the suction button, water and gas button and biopsy cap are installed on the handle of the operation department. If they are not installed, you can find them in the accessories box. The packing material will be different for different order requirements. We have prepared a product packing list. You can do a material inventory according to the list. Installing the suction button. Align the groove of the suction button insertion section towards the top. Align the suction seat and press it until it fits. Install the water and gas button. Align the insertion part of the water and gas button with the water and gas seat inserted in the operation section, and press until it fits. Installation of biopsy valve cap. Align the groove of the biopsy valve cap with the biopsy port, and press until it fits. Monitor machine package. Monitor machine carton include power cord, 12-volt power adapter, Phillips screws, keys, software installation disc, base and monitor machine. Base and monitor installation. Base with the side of the foot pad facing down. The screw holes of the base are aligned with the screw holes of the monitor bracket. And can be tightened with Phillips screws. Light source package. This carton contains light source machine, power cord, and foot switch. Device connection. First, the key is connected to the USB port of the monitor. The USB port of the foot switch is connected to the USB port of the monitor. The power cord is connected to the 12V power adapter. And then the 12V plug of the adapter is connected to the power interface of the monitor. Align the light guide plug of the endoscope with the light guide socket of the light source machine, insert and press. Hang the water bottle on the hook on the left side of the light source, and the water bottle plug is connected to the light guide plug, and the water vapor interface on the left side is inserted to the bottom, leaving no gap and no loosening. Light source machine connected to the power cord. Take the video adapter cable, insert the 12P interface into the 12P socket of the light guide plug. Note, the interface is inserted in line with the red dot of the socket. Tighten the screws on both sides of the DB interface. The 12P connector is a spring lock device. To disassemble, hold the spring device tightly, pull it back by hand, and then pull it out as a whole. Connect the monitor and light source machine to the power supply in turn. The whole device is connected. Press the on/off button on the right side of the back of the monitor to turn on the power. Press the switch button on the left side of the light source. The left button is the air pump adjustment key. The top button is the air pump key. The following are the air pressure increase, air pressure decrease adjustment keys, 3-stage adjustable. The right column buttons are for the brightness adjustment keys, including the top button fitting on the light source. The following two buttons in turn for the brightness increase and brightness decrease control keys. You can also control by touch screen. The left side of the screen button are for the air pump adjustment. The right side are for brightness adjustment. Software installation. 1. Access the software installation UDisk to the computer. In the computer, double-click to open the UDisk. Find the IWS folder, double-click to open the folder. Then double-click to open the installation program, setup.x to enter the installation state. In the central pop-up box select Next, wait a moment. The pop-up, successfully installed, pop-up box, click to confirm, that is the software installation success. The software shortcut will be automatically generated on the computer desktop. Return to the UDisk file, find the set folder. Double-click to open the folder. Double-click to open the installer set to enter the add-on installation. In the add-on installation menu, select the second program, X264 Video Compression Algorithm.x. Click the Install Add-on button below to enter the installation process. In the pop-up box, in order to click Next, I agree, Next, Install, Next, Finish. X264 Video Compression Algorithm.x program installation is complete. In the Additional Program Installation menu, select the third program, Video Compression Program. Video needs to be installed. X. Click the Install Additional Programs button below to enter the installation process. Click in the pop-up box in turn. Next. Yes. Finish. Video compressor. Video needs to be installed. X program installation is complete. The overall software installation is complete. Software startup and operation. Software start. Access the encrypted UDisk to the computer. Access the endoscope to the computer. On the desktop of the computer, double-click to open Image Workstation, can enter the software operating system. Click the Video Set button in the upper left corner. Click the Video Source button in the pop-up box to enter the parameter setting. Adjust the video parameters by dragging the scale or inputting the value. The brightness, contrast, hue, saturation, sharpness and other parameters of the image can be adjusted. You can adjust the brightness, contrast, hue, saturation, sharpness and other parameters of the image. In the right auto checkbox of the white balance adjustment, click the checkbox to cancel the automatic white balance, and click Default to restore the initial settings. Take pictures. Click the Capture button at the top of the software to take pictures of the image. Click the Capture button at the bottom right of the software to take pictures of the image, and the F4 button on the keyboard and the foot switch can also take pictures of the image. Click the Record button at the bottom right of the software. Click the Start button at the pop-up box to record the image. Click Stop to save the video. Click the software icon at the bottom left to hide the software. Right-click on the desktop, click the software shortcut, click Properties below, click Open File Location. In the pop-up box, find the top month folder, click into it. Find the corresponding patient folder and click into it. Find the AVI folder and enter it. You can find the video. Click the video file to play the video. In the video page, click the Current Report button at the top left to display the report page. The photos that have been taken can be replaced directly by left-clicking and dragging the pictures with the mouse. And the Report Style function at the bottom left to switch the report template. Clicking on the Options button at the top right and selecting Set, where the first column allows for changes to the hospital name of the report. On the report page, patient information can be entered at the top, and the photo can also be named. Below the photo, you can directly enter the medical history, diagnosis, test results and other information. Select Template in the upper right corner. Click Add Sub on the pop-up page to the sub-template. The sub-template can modify the name, enter the visible information of the examination in the C input field. Click Save to save. Go back to the report page. Double-click the sub-template to quickly import the examination information just saved. If you want to print the report, you need to install the printer in advance. Click the Print button above. If you want to archive the edited report, you can click the Save button above to save it. Click New to create a new report. Click the Options key at the top right, select Report Designer. Right-click on the hospital icon, select Style, select Add in the Select Image pop-up box. Select the corresponding image in the computer file, confirm and click Open. The image can be added to the Select Image pop-up box in the left menu bar. Select the corresponding image, select the corresponding image name. Click OK. You can replace the hospital icon. Use the mouse to drag and drop to adjust the size of the image. Put it in the appropriate location. Click Exit in the upper right corner. Select Yes in the pop-up box to save. Device connection. Next, we will show you the effect of the function keys of the operation part. The first button from top to bottom is the freeze, white balance button. Short press this button to freeze the image, and then short press this button to unfreeze it. Use the front tip, 6 to 10 centimeters away from white paper or white gauze. Press and hold this button for 5 seconds to adjust the white balance of the image. The second button is the suction button. Before operation, we connect with the suction machine first. Connect the suction tube to the suction port of the light guide plug. After adjusting the appropriate parameters, press the button to do suction. The third button is the water and gas button. Fill the water and gas bottle with water, tighten the cap, and connect the plug to the connector of the plug. Turn on the air pump key of the light source machine, and adjust the appropriate air pressure parameters. We see a blue round hole in the middle of the water vapor button. When we cover the round hole with our finger, you can tip air delivery. When we press the water vapor button, the air pump will pressurize the water vapor bottle, so as to achieve the tip water delivery effect, which is used to clean the lens and keep the image clear. The biopsy port is used to place instruments or forceps. Angle knob and angle lock. The operating handle has an angle knob, and angle lock control. From the top to the bottom in order are the upper and lower angle lock, upper and lower angle knob, left and right angle knob, left and right angle lock, up and down angle knob, can control the tip bending 210 degrees, 130 degrees. When rotating in the U direction, the tip bends upward. When rotating in the D direction, the tip bends downward. When pushing in the opposite direction of F, the angle knob is locked. When pushing in the F direction, the angle knob is unlocked. The left and right angle knob can control the bending 100 degrees from left to right. When rotating to L direction, the tip bends to the left. When rotating to R direction, the tip bends to the right. When pushed in the opposite direction of F, the angle knob is locked. When pushed in the direction of F, the angle knob is unlocked. Common problems. Problem: no image after installation. Solution: close the medical management software. Raw plug the video adapter cable. Wait for about 5 seconds. Open the management software again. Problem: Press the water vapor button, but the water does not come out. Solution: raw plug the water vapor plug of the water vapor bottle. Ensure that the plug is completely inserted into the water vapor interface of the light guide plug. Raw plug the water vapor button of the operation department. The light source to adjust the air supply to the highest gear. Touch the central hole of the water vapor button. Check whether the air block the central hole for about 10 seconds. Observe the tip of the head whether there is airflow blowing out. Press the water vapor button again. Observe whether the tip of the head of water. Problem: the image is sporadic or with interference bars. Solution: restart the monitor. Raw plug the video adapter cable one by one to close the electrical equipment around the system. Investigate the source of interference, and replace the anti-interference power socket. Above is the entire process of the installation, and precautions of GU Series Gastroscope. Thanks for your watching.